gonna solve the mystery of the black hole and circles. So we all know that a black hole is a hole that sucks you into it, and then will spit you out soon, I think. So okay. No, won't spit you. No, won't spit. Black hole. Stuff. Let me explain the good stuff. Now I know it's gonna be a big lame thing, but if it's a spill of matter that nothing can escape, it would be filled of glitch stuff. Like this. This kind of glitch. So weird, right? It's just so weird. So weird. And your next. And the next one, getting lit. Oh no. Light holes. For that to exist. Answer. If there is a Maokai, somehow we haven't solved. So there you go. That's what it looks like instead of a black hole. Make sure to subscribe for more animation, gaming, and the mix and mystery solving.